Hi guys, good morning. Today we pour slab, second slab, section B. After we poured that first slab, section A, we poured yesterday. Today we poured this one. The first one 250 cubic yard, the second one 180. Both of them 6 inches thick slab. You can see that machine to level it and do final touch up. After we finished this, we started immediately to do the cure and seal to keep moisture inside the slab and minimize cracks. And we will start right now to do chalk line for that section. And we will start to do the saw cut using the saw cut machine walk behind to line up with the other control joints. Everything looks good and good finish concrete floor. Using cure and seal 35. You can see everyone wear a hard hat, safety first, and high quality work. And we are working to pour more slab. That's a good size of building. Thank you.